before we start, I just want to put this out there so you guys know. If any hair shampoo company wanna sponsor my video, I'll be willing to do that. Preferably Head and Shoulders, but like Pomelier or any of these others, other companies, like, sure, man. So spread the message, let them know that this guy is doing Head and Shoulders or hair shampoo sponsor video. So get that going, get that going. Okay guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to the new video. Today we're doing a course Chainlink, and we've been doing Chainlinks for 6 days now, and we're gonna do it for 7 days. So we got this Chainlink saga going on, Monday to Sunday, only Chainlink, 7 days. So if you wanna catch the video tomorrow, be sure to subscribe to the video to catch that notification all button and all that shebang, right? So let's see what's been we have been talking about for the past 6 days for you new guys that haven't catched my previous videos. So basically on day 1 there was some error side divergence. We said it was gonna go down, it went down. Then the second day there's this line at 23.24. We can put like this, 23.24, and we said like it's really important that we close above the line. We didn't, and of course what happened, we went down. Then up here on the day 3 there was some kind of support lines that we were watching, especially this one at 21. There was one at also, sorry, 20, and then there was one at 21, and we were like, probably gonna find support at the lower one, and it did. And after that, the next day it went up. Then on the day 4 we are also talking about the importance of 23.24 line, this line over here, how important is it to actually close above the line. Still did not close above the line. Day 5, same things, just closed above the F line, you know, just get above there. Didn't want to do that. And now on the day 6 you can see here we are still trying to get across the line, but I think there's a really good chance that either today or tomorrow, I think there's a big chance today we are gonna cross that line and we're gonna go up to our target. That's our target at $30. So let's get in the charts and see actually how we're gonna do this, how we are gonna get to the 30 target, and what's gonna happen here today. So of course we're gonna start up by saying again the 23.24 support, sorry, resistance, that's the top over here. It's really important to break. So we've been holding for 1, 2, 3, 4 days, right? Got rejected here hardly here, then went up, rejected, tried to get above several times. You can see the wicks up here and down, you know, it cannot go. And now we are doing the same thing again. We are just below the line and just waiting for these traders to gather up into the corner and then push the price further up. So let's clean this up, and we're gonna start again. We're gonna start with the 5-minute chart, and we're gonna see what's actually happening with Chainlink. But what are we gonna do? What we're gonna do is this. Wait, first of all we're gonna clean this. We're gonna put down our meme line, not meme line, but the most important line of Chainlink right now, 23.24. I don't know if you guys understand how important this line to break is, but once this line is broken and we close above the line, close is very important, Chainlink is gonna go up, very high up. So basically we can also set this horizontal line over here, sorry, vertical line over here, so we know how far to look back when we are looking at 5-minute chart. Now we're gonna zoom, not zoom out, zoom in, and you can see this is the range we are actually interested in. But we are gonna pick up these stops over here and this stop over here, so we can make some kind of triangle. And you can already see that this is some kind of triangle forming over here, something like this. It goes all the way down there, and then this one, it looks like this is the correct triangle, but this seems to be more like it. So basically this is the triangle we are in now, and we have been in for some time now. And you can see here that actually this triangle is bound to break really soon. This is today 30 January, but and here is 31st January, and at the end of the 31st January we are already up all the way in the corner. So in these next 2 days we are gonna break on upside and downside. I think we're gonna break on the upside because we have been testing that resistance for a long time, trying to get above it, and Chainlink is really bullish. I can show you on the 4 hourly, I think, no, on the daily, the beauty of what's happening right now here, and why we should go up. So there was some kind of low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and we are expecting a higher high again, right? This can also be seen as some kind of a wedge. That means that we're gonna go something like this and maybe drop down. I don't think that's gonna actually happen. Well, actually we have not discussed that option yet, but our target right now is up here. Up here, let me draw this line nicely. It's up here. So once we break this 23-24 line up here, our target is around 30. Today is at 31, I think. Right here, 30. That's our target. Has been our target for an entire week, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen. So let's go into the 5-minute chart and see actually what's happening with the Chainlink right now on the 5-minute chart, and start there, and then we're gonna go up the moving time frames. So basically, this doesn't give you a lot. This looks like some kind of button, but we're gonna use moving averages to help us decide if this is going to go up and down. You can already see now that we are getting into the apex end of the triangle. Something has to happen, because you have to understand the traders do what traders do, and they trade in the range. They short resistances, they long supports and stuff like that. So all the traders have been trading over here, right? They are now being pushed into their corner. So all traders have to decide what they're gonna do. Are we gonna go up or are we gonna go down? And once this triangle breaks, it's gonna go bam on one of the sides, right? So right now, just looking at moving averages and the apex of the triangle, we can see that the price is holding the 20, just came above all the moving averages, holding 20 and started climbing. And you can see that climbing on the 20 moving average, the red line on the 5-minute chart can go pretty fast. And you can see here how it was holding the 20 until it reached the 50 moving average and got the jump again, and then got some kind of correction. So the first step is climbing on the 20, getting on the 5-minute chart. You want to be above all the moving averages, and we are that. So very bullish. Let's go look what's happening on the 1 hourly chart. 1 hourly chart. Let's remove the wicks, because this is hard to watch. This is hard to watch. You can see here that the price down here was below all the moving averages, but then once we hit this support down here, we bounced above the red and the blue. Red is 20 and 100 moving average, so we are above the 20 moving average. We are getting resistance on the 50 moving average and 200 moving average, but breaking, if we manage to break above these two averages over here, preferably above 23-24 line as well, that's gonna be very bullish. So 1 hourly, we still got a bit way to go, but it's looking like it can do that. On the 4 hourly, we are above 20 moving average, and that's really important. So now the 50 moving average, I think it might kind of stop us a bit today. I'm not quite sure, but we want to be above 20 and 50 moving average. So this has to, so either way you see it, if we get above 23-24 mark today, we are going to be above all the moving averages on the 5-minute, on the 1 hourly, on the 4 hourly, and that's very bullish. If we can manage to cross 23-24 today, 30 is the next target, 30 is the next target. And on the daily, you can clearly see that, let's bring back the wicks over here. You can clearly see that 20 moving average has been support for quite some time, and here we got 1, 2, 3 tests on the support, 4, even 4 tests on the support, got back into the triangle, and now we want to break out. So everything today depends on the breakout of the 23-24 line, as has been entire week. And I'm telling you guys, once we break that target, we are going further up. We are going further up. How far are we gonna draw this? How far are we gonna draw this line? I haven't done this, so I haven't seen this, but maybe something like this. Yeah, it's in the ballpark. It depends on how you draw it. Maybe even higher than 30. Maybe even higher than 30. If it breaks today, maybe tomorrow it's gonna be here somewhere. I don't know. It's in the 30 ballpark, right? So that's the target. The 30 is the target. Everything still depends on the 23-24 line, and the triangle that we are in right now, we are getting into the apex of it, and it's almost there, guys. It's almost there. Thanks for watching the video today, guys. Subscribe if you want to subscribe. If you want to see tomorrow's video, want to get notification, want to get bam on your YouTube screen, make sure to click the notification button and press all so you get the notification. Like the video if you like the video. Dislike it if you don't like my hair. I don't know, you like my hair. Also, Head and Shoulders, if you want to sponsor my video, you know, I'm willing to do that. I'm willing to do that. Thanks, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.